When is the last time you went home and thought, I actually led somebody today? Not survived, not put out fires, but actually led somebody. If you're going, right now, you're not alone. Because here's what your day looks like. You walked in with a plan and felt great about it, but by 9:15, somebody broke something. Just like that, the plan's up in smoke. And by 5, you're completely fried. See, you stayed busy but didn't grow your business, only to go home and do it all again tomorrow. And then comes the most dangerous words in leadership: I just don't have time. You had time, my friend. You just lit it on fire. See, coaching, developing, accountability, that is what actually moves the needle, and you know it. But it keeps getting pushed to when I have time. Well, that day never comes until now. In this session, we'll analyze your task as it goes through a simple 4-stage framework, the Eisenhower Matrix, and 3 steps that designs a routine to put you in front of your people instead of buried behind your desk. You will discover 2 to 3 hours of white space a day you never knew existed, but they were always there. So do you want another session where nothing really changes? Or are you ready to put the fire out for good? I'll save you a seat because I know you're ready to stop lighting your day on fire.